Alright guys, so here's part 2. I'll do the edger and the trimmer. So, get this thing down. Almost lost it. Okay. These were all started like a week and a half or so. Yeah, something around there. Full choke, 5 primes, and pull. That's Stihl. Here's the echo. See if I can grab this thing. Hold on real quick, guys. Sorry about that. That's caught in my bag. Alright. I wish there was an easier way to do this. Let's switch it on here. Stay. Okay. Give it throttle. Full choke. Alright, here we go. Okay, so that's end of part 2. I'll get that one uploaded for you. Here's the Stihl echo. Alright, see you in a little bit.